Hi viewers, welcome to the Grammar Channel. Today we are going to learn about the lesson Packing. Packing written by Jerome K. Jerome. Jerome was a noted English humorist, novelist and playwright. Packing, the lesson Packing is based on the theme that routine tasks are not as easy as they seem to be. The humorous account amuses the readers with the chaotic and confusing situations created by the clumsiness of three friends, all of whom consider packing to be child's play. Jerome is the narrator of the story and he is overconfident about his packing skills. George and Harris are the friends of the narrator Jerome. Both are clumsy and ill organized. The dog, Montmorency, had an ambition in life. It was to get in the way and be a nuisance. He felt that his day was not wasted if he had made people mad. Now we move on to the summary of the lesson Packing. Three friends decided to go on a holiday. Jerome, the narrator, offered to do the packing. George and Harris, his friends, were most impressed by that. But the narrator had intended that George and Harris would do the packing and he would boss over them. When they relaxed, he was irritated. He couldn't sit still and see others working. He would enjoy getting up and overseeing others working. He hated seeing people doing nothing when he was doing the work. The narrator started the packing. He had finished packing in the shortest period of time. Harris told him that he had forgotten to put the boots in. He opened the bag and packed the boots in. He was going to close it. Just then, he had an idea. Had he packed his toothbrush? Oh, he turned everything out. But he could not find the toothbrush. He found brushes of George and Harris more than 18 times over, but he couldn't find his own. So he put the things back one by one. Then he found the toothbrush inside a boot. He repacked the things once again. The narrator finished packing the bag. Soon George asked if the soap was in, but the narrator was in anger. He wouldn't open the bag again. However, he found that he had packed his tobacco pouch in it. So he had to reopen the bag. Then George and Harris undertook to do the rest of the packing part. Harris and George were not good packers. The narrator could see piles of plates, cups, kettles, cakes, tomatoes, etc. all around the packing part. Soon the packing became exciting. Cups were broken. Harris packed the strawberry jam on top of a tomato and squashed it. George walked over the butter. The narrator sat and saw them packing. This irritated George and Harris. They stepped on things. Then they didn't find what they wanted to find. They packed the pies at the bottom of the bag. They squashed them after putting heavy things on them. George and Harris upset everything. George stepped on the butter while packing. George got the butter off his slipper. And then they put it down on a chair. Harris sat on it. It stuck to him. Then they went looking for it over the room. Now, the dog, Montmorency, came. He sat down on things that were to be packed. He put his leg into the jam. He pretended the lemons were rats and put those into the hamper. After all the packing was done, Harris said that he hoped nothing would be found broken. Then they decided to sleep. Harris asked the narrator if he preferred to sleep inside or outside the bed. George asked when he should wake them. They started to argue over the time. Finally, they decided to wake up at 6:30 in the morning. Hi viewers, the value that we learned from the lesson Packing is that it humorously describes the do's and don'ts of the packing part. Packing should not be treated as a frivolous activity but as a serious task that involves concentration. Also, if we have a pet, It should be well trained.